The question we are going to discuss today are: state how safety is achieved with regard to gas emission in battery room where a large number of lead cells are stored with reference to following: provision for lighting, ventilation if fan is fitted, type of distilled water container for topping up, use of tools and replacement for defective batteries. Provision of lighting. Lighting fittings in battery compartments should be properly maintained at all times with protective glasses in position and properly tightened. If cracked or broken glasses cannot be replaced immediately, the electric circuit should be isolated until replacements are obtained. No unauthorized modifications or additions should be made to electrical equipment, including lighting fitting in the battery compartment. Portable electric lamps and tools and other portable power tools which might give rise to sparks should not be used in the compartment. Insulation and or guarding of cable in battery compartments should be maintained in good condition. Ventilation if a fan is fitted. If a fan is fitted for ventilation, the intake shall be at the top of the room. The fan motor is to be certified safe type and the fan is to be of non-sparking construction. The fan is to be capable of completely changing the air in the battery room in not more than 2 minutes. An alternative fan capacity may be provided if it can maintain the flammable gases within the battery room to a level below lower explosive limit at the maximum battery charging current. Where the ventilation capacity is based on low hydrogen emission type batteries, a warning notice to this effect is to be displayed in visible place in the battery room. Type of distilled water container for topping up. In no case metallic containers should be used for topping up the battery. Plastic or similar containers should be used. An eye wash bottle should be in the compartment for immediate use on the eye in case of an accident. This bottle should be clearly distinguishable by touch from AC or other containers so that it may be easily located by a person who is temporarily blinded. Use of tools and replacement of defective batteries. Metal tools such as wrenches and spanners should never be placed on top of the batteries as they may cause sparks or short circuit. The use of insulated tools is recommended. Jewelry, watches and rings etc. should be removed when working on batteries. A short circuit through any of these items will heat it rapidly and may cause severe skin burn. If rings cannot be removed, they should be heavily taped in insulating materials. The battery charger and all circuits fed by the battery should be switched off when leads are being connected or disconnected. If a battery is in sections, it may be possible to reduce the voltage between cells in the work area and hence the severity of an accident, short circuit or electric shock by removing the jumper leads between sections before work is begin. Battery cell vent plugs should be screwed tight when connections are being made or broken. Lids of battery boxes should be fastened when open for replacement. Batteries should always be transported in an upright position to avoid spillage of electrolytes. A sufficient number of men should be employed since batteries are heavily and painful strain or injury can otherwise easily result.